Why women always washes the dishes? It's because of this story. In the town of Santa Rosa, there once lived a couple named Hugo and Imelda. The neighbors familiar called Imelda as Kamaldang and Hugo as Kaugo. I'm here.
Oh, really?
Sorry.
Water rice and fish. Let's eat.
Diyan nito rin naman. Talagang kinakain nila?
One day, as just they were finishing their lunch, Kaugong
Who says so?
I say so. I worked so hard in the field this morning. I'm not going to wash the dishes.
And who, Mr. Hugo, is going to wash his dishes?
You! You are the woman. You should wash all the housework.
And what do? You tie the hard out of the fields in the reeds. And then you lie in the grass to watch the grace. You call that hard work? I cook. I clean. I wash your clothes. I do all the housework that every slave should do. And yet you refuse to help your days which you have eaten. You lazy man!
Look! Look like me!
Come on there, I'll do the table your homework.
Look! Wait!
Totally mo pa... Totally mo pa, May?
They go to the room!
Alright. After.
Why women wash the dishes?
Let's stop whirling over the face. Go away. The first one to speak after I said begin should be wash for the dishes.
What? Speak like a man, not you like a cat. Si May.
Wait. Don't strike me, okay?
Alright. What have you to say?
Let's stop whirling over this. Now, wait. After I said begin, you should always wash the dishes.
Oh, it's that? The first one who talks will always wash the dishes?
Right.
Always?
Right. Yeah. If you say one word to me, I never wash the dishes. Anything, anybody, any else, you will always wash the dishes.
That's easy. I can keep my mouth shut even for a week. You cannot. You even talk to your caravan.
You are ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Yeah, let's begin.
They both fell silent. They sat at the table looking at each other across the unwashed
Ah!
dishes.
Mo extra.
So, the began to be worried school. Neither Kamadang nor Kaugong set attention to its movement. It was getting late in the afternoon, but they went on sitting. Their eyes were tired from staring hard at each other. Their tears began to roll down. Kaugong's shirt became damp with sweat. Kamadang's sweat gathered on her forehead and trickled down to the sides of her face and fell drop by drop to her dress.
Nice one.
Compadre Hugo! Compadre Hugo!
Delay yung sound effect natin, ah. Eh!
Compadre Madam, take a burger, Why did they leave the letter outside
Uy.
Pwede mo go? Commander Manda? What happened to you? Commander Manda, speak to us!
Ay, sapaw.
Speak to us!
Say lang, ma'am.
Yan, dyan ka yan.
Pwede mo go?
Yan.
What happened to you? Wait, where are we going? I don't know. Come on, let's go.
Where are you going?
Wait, why are you pushing me? I have to stay there. What happened?
Delay na.
Wait, where are we going? To the hermit's house. Where are we
Bubuhatin sa ali. Uy, bubuhatin.
Akala na matanda.
Asan yan?
Hala, Pingol, wala ka na. Wala ka na, Bing.
Alabat ko katabi.
I need to hit them.
Ayaw pa yung wig. Mas maano si Mano.
Mabato mo kaya
Siya nagamot eh.
By their silence, I believe that they are dead.
Dead!
Okay, dead.
I just met you, and this is crazy. But really, so coming, maybe.
Ha?
Ano kanila?
Pero pag dyan may lumabas.
No.
The witch have made this so and have left their bodies. We need to bury them.
Burn them?
Yes, bury them. We'll bury them at sunrise, and some of us will take keep of them for their bodies. Get some coffins for their bodies.
Diretso, may nakasabi na sa
Kasya kaya kay Oliver yan. Sobra yan eh. Sa Oliver lang mong kulang pati.
Dalawa nagtitingin.
Siya natin.
Bagay.
Wala nang muna. Bakit kayo?
Ba't kaya ako nagsabi? What are we going to do?